The 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.